Hello my friends. Are you looking for a way to earn money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further as we introduce you to a new and innovative method for making money online. In this video, we will be discussing a step-by-step guide on how to use a newly developed online panel called SOC panel to create a successful online business. With this method, you can eliminate the need for traditional office work and enjoy the freedom of working from home. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this exciting new opportunity together. By that website you create your own panel for the SMM, or you can also host SMM panel in your own domain. So you can call it like a Blogger or WordPress SMM panel. Either you can connect or link this SMM panel with your own domain name, or you can use their subdomain, and it is free also, as you will see now. This website offers a comprehensive suite of features that positions it at the forefront of this field, enabling you to compete with any website in the arena. From cutting-edge payment methods and an extensive discount system to responsive and reliable support, child panel, and providers, this platform will propel you to the farthest borders of success. I would like to bring to your attention that this platform offers a wide range of providers to choose from, which sets it apart from other platforms that do not provide this level of transparency. I kindly request that you take a moment to focus with me while we explore the numerous options available to you. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's dive in. I would like to suggest that you take a few minutes to navigate the website thoroughly and read all the details carefully. By doing so, you will discover that the SOC platform offers a comprehensive package that includes hosting, domain name, and protection system against hackers and illegal traffic, all of which are provided free of charge. You have also a free SSL certificate and support team to keep your SMM panel up to date. Please take a moment to consider the potential cost implications of creating a panel such as this from scratch without any added benefits. In addition, the SOC panel offers two distinct platform options, the first of which we will discuss today, and the second being a digital store for selling digital goods, which is available for your perusal. As you see now from this switch button. Let us now proceed with the sign-up process. To begin, please ensure that you have selected the Selling SMM panel option from the switch button located at the top. Next, please click on the Create Account button and proceed to fill in your personal information such as your name, email, and password. Afterwards, kindly click on the Create Account button once again and complete the required I am not a robot verification process. This will then redirect you to a new interface. As previously mentioned, it is possible to use your own domain name to create and link to this website's platform. Alternatively, if you don't have enough budget, you may choose to use their own subdomain name for free. You may opt to use Ryan as a subdomain name for your website, or select your own domain name that you have previously purchased from any reputable domain name supplier. In my particular case, I will be utilizing the free method and selecting the subdomain option, naming it Ryan. Upon clicking Next, a unique and valid name must be entered to move forward to the next step. The next step involves selecting the currency that will serve as the main currency for your panel. You have the option to choose from a range of global currencies. For our case, we will select US dollar. Let us now proceed to examine the website interface by clicking on the subdomain name that was previously selected. You will be directed to the default interface of the panel. At this point, your panel is now ready for use. However, before proceeding, it is important to set up the necessary settings by clicking on the Go to Settings button. We'll be directed to the Our Control Panel interface. Detailed instructions for this process will be provided in the next video. If you require further information regarding the control panel setup interface, please feel free to leave a comment below. We will strive to provide the necessary information in our next video as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you found this tutorial informative and helpful in discovering a new way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. See you next video.